Welcome, guys, to this channel. This is Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame, and today I'm going to speak about the evil eyes and the monitor spirits and how you can remove it, because it is almost related, but there are a few differences between the two. But you can remove the two together, um, because it is almost the same, but there are some slight of things that are different between the two. But I recommend um, to gain protection in cleaning yourself with a routine in the morning by um, mental and energetic shielding. You can wake in stillness. When you get up, you rise in the morning, wake up in stillness. Sit up, breathe, and say out loud, I command all energies not to align with my highest good, to leave my space. Yes, to leave my space now. I am protected and covered in divine light. So you can visualize a golden flame with your spirit power rising from your heart and expanding around your entire body like a shield. That is one of that is some of the things you can do to shield and to cover yourself. You can even say an affirmation like, I am invisible to all monitor spirits. I am untouchable by envy or dark eyes. My energy is sovereign and shielded in light. So you can even say or do a spiritual cleansing even in the midday. In the midday, you can even wash your hands and in your face. You can you can wash your face as the water flows. Imagine it removing any heavy or negative energy, and you can whisper. At that time, you can whisper and you can say, I wash away all projection and restore my peace. So, light protection oil you can also use, like for instance, olive oil, or like people call it anointing oil. Use it. You can take a little bit in the palm of your hand, and you can firmly put it in, wrapping it on your wrist, and you can affirm and call and cover yourself with divine power over you. So even in the night hour, you can do it again. It is like a constant cleansing, because these things is monitoring your life, and it waits until you are at a moment where you are neglecting it. You know it, but your attention is not at the moment at the spirits, because the spirits is people. It is the people around you. It can be your neighbors. It can be the people across the street. It can be the people in your surrounding areas. This is the evil eyes. This is the monitor spirits. And the people we call the evil eyes is also the monitor spirits, because the monitor spirits get invited by these evil eyes people. Because their vibration is low, and that monitor spirit likes to attach itself to low vibration people. And that monitor spirit is monitoring you by dwelling wherever you go. Even if you go to town, that monitor spirit is going with you to town. And when you come back, that monitor spirit is with you back at home. So it is in your neighbors, it is in the people who are around you in your surrounding area. So it reports the things that you have done in the town, even at the clinic, at the store, at the wherever you have found yourself going throughout the day. So it reports to the people who are jealous and envying towards you. So that people will constantly tell you where you were yesterday, what you did last year, what you did a few minutes ago, what you said where. So it repeats in your mind the conversations you had with people, the things you did or said to someone, or the things you made, or whatever else it can find to defile you. So it will not let you forget your past. It will remind you constantly about your past, and that will make you feel guilty about your past, because many of of us, we are only humans, and humans makes mistakes. So when you are constantly reminded about your past and the mistakes you did, or your spouse or whoever did something wrong or what, you will always be reminded about it. And that is what that monitor spirit is doing. It reports to the people who's envying towards you, who are the evil eyes. So although your neighbor is in his or her house, she or he can still see what is going on in your house without having to go specifically be in your midst, or go to your home. You can see the things, or go with you in a vehicle to another town or wherever else. You understand? So these things, it is constant. It is not your brain who's giving you thoughts or signals. It is the monitor spirit who's projecting the negativeness on your brain, so it can drop your energy level, so it can be the test the whole time. Because when you in a high vibration, it loosen it detects itself, it loosen its power. But when it um puts you in a low vibration, so it must tell you every time the past, so you can be in the low vibration. It must make you stressed out, and it must let you feel anxiety or depressed, so it can detach itself. You understand? So you can do, even in the night, a deep cleansing as well, to detach yourself from that evilness. By taking a salt bath, you can even soak, if you don't take a bath, you can even soak your foot in, like we call it, your voete in Afrikaans. Your feet, you can put it in salt water, and you can put a handful of salt, like sea salt. If you don't have sea salt, you can even put tafel salt, table salt in your water. It is as good as sea salt. If you think, where would I get sea salt? Dis grove sout. Vat grove sout. Gooi grove sout in jou water in. En roer jou water en sit jou voete in dit. It's part of the cleansing. And as you soak, imagine all the cords The koorts, it's like jou, jy weet as die kind gebore is, die naaldstring, sien 'n klomp naaldstringe rondom jou, all koorts around you. Sien hoe knip jy naaldstringe wat so na jou toe lei. The coach is coming towards you. You cut it with scissors. You see it, you imagine it. So you can cut off all the monitor cords and jealousy, dissolving matters. Undissolving matters, because it's not dissolved at the time. So you imagine how you cut all the cords. And say a little prayer or a little declaration. In any spirit, you call it like that, any spirit or energy sent to monitor or harm me is rendered powerless. My home, my body, and my mind are sealed in divine peace. You say it like that. And when you go to sleep, you even visualize, because your brain is the most powerfulest before you go to sleep. So that time you visualize pictures of yourself sleeping inside a dome of bright golden fire. The fire of divine protection. The fire that is untouchable. Let me hear you. So you, my friend, imagine yourself cleaning yourself with cleansingness, with cords you have cut, with visualizing bright light that is untouchable, and that is how you can remove the evilness around you. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame, and I'm here to give you a little information about the darkness in people who haven't gone to a traditional healer. But it's the energy that is making them do the things they did, and they still does. So if you like my content, I want you to give me a comment in the comment section and subscribe, people. Mense, ons is mense van mense. Subscribe en help my om jou te help hoe ons die dingetjie kan verder vat. So for now, I'm out and one love.